Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gentle Media. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Bible show into vMix. Alright, so stay with me. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, kindly like and share this video as well. Drop a comment if you have any question. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media. Alright, let me quickly open my Bible show. This is my Bible show right here. Like you all know, Bible show is a free software. Alright, so you can head over to your browser and download it. Alright, it's totally free. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to turn on the NDI in Bible show. Through the help of the NDI, you can now send the Bible show to your vMix. So doing that, come to configure right here, click on configure. Alright, now you are on this destination where you are seeing display window, NDI output, data file. You are going to select NDI output. Alright, untick the display window. Alright, and then select only the NDI output. Alright, so once you are through, let me project the scripture, Genesis 15 verse 15, and then let me just send it. Okay, now let me head over to my vMix and then let's add it. Come to your add input. Alright, click on the add input and then you come to NDI and desktop capture. Alright, so select this and then you're going to wait for it to load. Now you can see Bible show NDI. This is it right here. Alright, why are we seeing this? Because we turn on the NDI in Bible show. If you don't turn on the NDI, there's no way you will see the Bible show in your vMix. Alright, so go ahead and select it and then hit OK. Now you can see we now have our Bible show in our vMix. Let me go to my Bible show and then switch the scripture. Let me drag it down so that you see it. Okay, let me just switch it. You can see it right there. You can see it. You can see it. Okay, now so this is how to bring Bible show into vMix. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Alright, drop a comment if you have any question. Alright, if you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is in the description of this video. And if you want to message me directly, the link is also in the description of this video. Which tutorial should I drop next? Let me know at the comment section. So see you in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media.